Good morning, party people. How's everybody doing this morning? Slab City Cat Rescue, unfortunately, has lost a cat. Good morning, party people. Yeah, there's a cat named Mr. Fluffaduffalus, aka Fluffy. He was a feral kitten. I had him 5 years. He was a big, gigantic, fluffy cat. And I'm not quite sure what happened to him. Out here it's usually an owl or a dog, but with my cats, it's not so much a dog because this cat rescue has guard dogs. And Marty and Maggie are fierce about not letting any other dogs in here. Hard to think it was an owl because Mr. Fluffaduffalus was a huge cat. He's really big. Big fluffy cat. I never filmed him. I tried to, but every time I pointed my camera at him, it was like I was pointing a gun at him, you know? He just ran. There is a glimpse of him, though, in my video, Power with the Sun. As I'm walking around my RV on the passenger side up on the dashboard, he's curled up in a ball asleep. I think the camera pans him for about a half a second or a second. But yeah, Mr. Fluffaduffalus, aka Fluffy, has been missing for about 5 or 6 days now, so I don't think he's coming home. It happens out here. I lose a cat every now and then. All right, party people, stay hydrated. Have a beautiful day out there in Babylon. It is starting to warm up here, although right now it's nice and cool because it's morning time. All right, party people, peace and love coming to you from the Cat Rescue and Sanctuary on Sidewinder Road. If you would like to donate to the Cat Rescue or Sanctuary, there you go. If you'd like to donate food or snacks for the animals, you can always order on Chewy.com and ship it to 1 Sidewinder Road, Slab City, Niland, California, 92257. All right, party people. Peace and love. Bye-bye.